Hello, welcome to the Groomsman. I'm Fayiz. I'm not shaving today, but I will, well, that's a lie. I did shave today, earlier today, but this is not a shave video. This is an unboxing. And if you see stuff on my face, it's because I just got finished mowing the lawn and doing some yard work when the mail showed up, and I'm gonna unbox this. I'm very excited about this. It's a new release from First Line Shaving. If I sound out of breath, it's because it's like 90 degrees here in Georgia, and so that's hot for everybody, and doing yard work in the heat is not fun. Alright, it's wrapped not only in the envelope but also in a box, which is good. And we'll get this box undone by hand because I'm a heathen. Alright, I've never smelled this before. Never smelled the fragrance that it's based off of, and never obviously smelled this because this is a new release. Okay, so wrapped in a little bubble wrap, and then we've got the label, which is beautiful. It's very simple, but it's very well done. That vinyl is nice. Here's the side label. And there's the ingredients. So this is First Line Shave Origins. And it doesn't say Origins anywhere. It just says First Line Shave. So, oof. Initial impressions is the word I'm thinking of. Very nice. It's based on Carlisle by PDM Parfums de Marly, I think it's. I'll make sure to put it right here if that's wrong. Very high-end cologne scent. I get green apple on the top, and definitely vanilla base. And I'll put the scent notes on the screen. It's very nice scent on the soap. And then I've got the splash as well. Again, wrapped very well. I appreciate that. And I don't usually do unboxings, but I have the time. I was out, like I said, outside doing the yard work when it came. So I figured, why not? Alright, here's the splash. And I love, they do this often with the First Line Shave bottles. It has a nice gradient where it's dark on the bottom and clear on the top. And it's wax sealed, which is nice. Oh, bubble wrap. They hand dip this bottle, and it's got a nice little tab, which I appreciate because not everything that's wax sealed has that tab, which makes it a pain. But this is very easy to unwrap, just like that. Throw that away, and then, oof, that's so good. This is a beautiful apple forward at first. On the top note, it's apple, and I think nutmeg, or some cinnamony, spicy scent. But it has some depth to it. The more you sniff it, the more it kind of matures in your nostrils. It has more depth. So I'm excited to put this on. I'm probably gonna use this scent tomorrow. I'm excited about that. And then the last part, also in the same packaging. Okay, that's interesting. I don't know if, oh, here it is. So, try not to drop it. So this is the EDP or EDT, EDP, right there, 30 mLs EDP of Origins, and it came in a box, but it doesn't have a little spritzer, which is normal. I've had a few EDPs and EDTs from First Line Shave, so I didn't expect it to be connected, but I couldn't find it, but it was just in the box hidden from my face. So I'm just unwrapping it here. Put the two back in. So you do have to kind of put this together yourself. Take this little lid off. Oh yeah. Serious strength behind that. I can already tell. And you just put this right in here. And I'll just take this and I'll line up the nozzle with the front of the label. And there you go. And this is the lid. Nice packaging. It's simple, but I like that matte black. This is usually what they use with all of their fragrances. Their EDPs is the same bottle, just different label, obviously. So I'm not gonna put any on because I'm gonna shower after this video and shave my head. But I'm gonna shave my head with something else, not with this, because I want to use this on my face tomorrow. I like to use new scents on my face first because I get more of the aroma on my face shaves. So I'm very excited about this scent though. I'm definitely using it tomorrow. That's it. Comment below if you ordered this or if you're looking forward to it or if you've used the original scent. And bonus points if you've used the original scent and this soap set, because I want to know how it compares to the original Carlisle by PDM. So thank you for watching and see you next time.